Not all water filters are created equal. Some promise clean water, but depending on your needs, a simple pitcher might fall short compared to a full filtration system. Many households rely on water filter pitchers for convenience, but few people understand the limitations. On the other hand, full water filtration systems offer a more comprehensive approach, though they come with higher costs and installation considerations. Today, we'll break down the differences so you can decide what truly suits your home. Most people assume that filtered water is safe just because it's run through a pitcher. While these devices remove certain contaminants like chlorine or some heavy metals, they often fail to filter out smaller particles, bacteria, or dissolved minerals. Additionally, the filter lifespan is short, and inconsistent replacement can compromise water quality. In contrast, many full systems use multi-stage filtration, sometimes including reverse osmosis, carbon filters, and UV treatment, which can significantly improve water purity. Water filter pitchers are compact and easy to use. They're ideal for renters or people who want a simple, no-installation solution. However, their capacity is limited, often requiring frequent refills, and the filtration speed is slow. Some pitchers only target taste and odor rather than actual contaminants. Full filtration systems, whether under sink or whole house setups, handle larger volumes of water. They can remove a broader range of impurities, including sediments, chlorine, heavy metals, and sometimes microorganisms. Maintenance involves replacing filters at regular intervals, which is more complex than simply swapping a pitcher cartridge. Costs are higher, and installation might require a plumber or some DIY skills. The key difference comes down to coverage and consistency. Pitchers provide filtered water for drinking and cooking, but a full system ensures cleaner water throughout the home, protecting faucets, appliances, and showers, not just your drinking glass. Choosing between a pitcher and a full system depends on your priorities. If you mainly want better tasting drinking water with minimal effort, a pitcher is sufficient. If you want comprehensive protection for your family and appliances, a full system is the more effective solution. Understanding the contaminants in your local water can guide this choice, as some impurities may require advanced filtration beyond what a pitcher can provide. Both options have advantages, but knowing their limitations is essential. A pitcher is convenient and affordable, while a full system offers thorough filtration and long-term benefits. Ultimately, the decision should reflect your household's water quality needs, daily consumption, and willingness to manage maintenance. If you want to explore how these systems work in detail and identify what's best for your home, check out the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to subscribe for practical tips on maintaining clean and healthy water for your family.